Hello student, today we will see control string in C language. Okay, it is also called what? Format string. So it is the first argument passed to formatted input output. Okay, it dictates how data should be formatted, displayed or interpreted. Okay, what it dictates? It will dictate how data should be formatted, how it will be formatted, how it will be displayed and interpreted. So it contains plain text, format specifier and escape sequences. So one by one we will see here. First is what? Plain text. Plain text means what? It is an ordinary character that are printed exactly as they appear. So suppose you want to print as it is some sentence or some string, you have to print as it is, then you are using what? Plain text, what? Character string here. So how to write the plain text here? So printf statement we are using to printf. Then in double quote you have to write down anything here. So I am writing hello world. Complete the double quote, then bracket and semicolon. So suppose you want to print some text as it is, then only printf and in double quote you have to write down whatever you want. Okay, so what will be the output here? Output is hello world. Okay, it will print as it is. So it is called what? Plain text here. So next one is what? Format specifier. Okay, what do you mean by format specifier? It is a placeholder starting with what? Percentage symbol. Okay, that tell the compiler the data type of the corresponding variable and where to print that variable value. Okay, so format specifier means what? It is a placeholder starting with what? Percentage sign symbol, and what it will tell? It will tell data type of that variable and also where to place that value of variable. Okay, so how to write down? Here also we are using printf statement or read scanf statement. So in printf, variable a value equal to percentage d. Okay, percentage d is what? It is a format specifier. What it will tell? It will tell the data type of the variable of a, whatever you are writing that variable, corresponding variable data type, and where you have to store the value that it will tell. Okay, so whatever, suppose a value is equal to 20. So what it will be output here? Variable a value equal to 20 will come. Okay, same way if you want to read the value of a, so scanf, enter value of, suppose we are reading value of n, which is a the value is what? Floating point or decimal point variable. Okay, so so here I am writing printf statement first. To give the message to user, first we have to give printf enter value of n. It is a plain text. Okay, then scanf percentage f means floating point variable it is, that's why we are reading floating point value here and storing into the n variable. Okay, so whatever we are fetching from the keyboard or user, it will be storing into the n variable here. Okay, so variable means what? Name given to the memory location. Yes, getting it? So in that memory location we are storing what? Floating point value. Yeah. So this one float variable n. Okay, then we are printing message to the user, that is print enter value of n. Then we are reading what? Scan a percentage of n. So here what we have to put? Address of variable. Okay, whenever we are reading some variable, we are storing whatever value we are storing into the address of n variable. So whatever address it is in that memory location, we are storing the value. Next is what? Escape sequences. Yes, it means what? It is a special character pair starting with a backslash used to format the layout. So if you want to format the layout, then we are using what? Escape sequences. Escape sequences means what? If suppose you want to add the lines or tabs in between the whatever string we are printing here. Okay, so one example we will see here. Printf hello. Then in next line, if you want to print what? I am Deepa. Again, suppose you want to print, suppose again in next line we want to print what? Qualification. After that, if you want to leave the space here, so you can give /t here. Okay, /t, you can write down your qualification. Complete the double quote. So what will be the output here? See here. Output will be, first it will print hello. Then this is what escape sequence. What it will do? It will adding the lines or tabs. Okay, and it will give the formatted output here. So hello, after that we are giving here slash n. Slash n means it will jump to the next line or new line. Okay, and then remaining string will be print in next line. Okay, and Deepa, again it is what slash n means again in new line it will print qualification colon, and it will leave the tab space and then print MC. Yes, got it? How to format the your content or lay out the output here. Yes, got it? So here we learn plain text means as it is. If you want to print something or some string, then you are writing in a double quote simply. Okay, then format specifier, and already we learned this format specifier in previous video. Okay, so it will start with symbol what percentage sign and with what specifier or placeholder. So what it will tell? Placeholder will tell data type of the variable. Okay, while you are printing or reading the value, you have to you have to use what placeholder, or you can say format specifier here. Next, escape sequence means what? If you want to format the output, okay, or lay out the output, you have to use escape sequences. So some escape sequences are slash n slash t. Okay, these are main two escape sequences, slash n for new line and slash t for tab space. Okay.